Hi, everybody. This is Cristina from Triathlon Mommy, DashStrøm Coaching, and DashStrøm Run Clubs, and I help moms just like you start a children's fitness program. And today I'm here with one of our clients who are just graduating from our course, Teana in Oregon. And Teana, thank you so much for being here with me today.
Of course.
And I'm just going to ask you some questions about your experience for you to share just from your heart what it was like, how you're feeling or how it goes. Because this is going to be going to moms out there that might be wondering, it's like, is this, is this for real? Or is this going to be a good thing for me? And, just to share your experience. So why don't we start from the beginning? I know that when I met you, you were kind of in a little bit of a tough spot, but what happened? Like, how did you decide that this was something for you?
So I am really big on following my instincts, and I always feel that everything happens for a reason. That's one of my life mottos. And when the program came across my Facebook, which, like we talked about, was odd because we had no connections. And so, again, everything happens for a reason. It happened in December, and I had just quit my job in November. And so I was looking into going into business for myself, just doing it the way that I know it should be done, whether it be working with youth or even in my facilitating and training jobs. And I feel like this mixed those two together, working with youth and training and facilitating as far as coming along and working with children with a certain curriculum. And so I really felt in my instinct that it was a good program. I don't even think you really had to sell me on anything. It was mostly telling me what it was about, and the work came from me and then my ideas of how I could move forward with starting my own business.
Wonderful. So how was your experience? Like once you leaped in, how was your experience with us?
It was awesome. It was funny that I did really just dive right in. That's part of my personality, which doesn't mean if you don't have that personality. When we did our group calls, I love that I got to see all the different personalities in one, from moms who were like, okay, I have no idea what I'm doing, to moms who are like, I'm ready to go, here are my flyers, here's this, to moms like me who was like, okay, I'm kind of in the middle where I have no idea what I'm doing, but I've made some contacts, I've made some phone calls. And so I love that along the way, you were very supportive. Also, like I said, the group calls definitely helped because we're able to ask each other questions and we're able to get ideas. And that's one thing I love about women, especially moms, supporting each other and lifting each other up. It wasn't a competition. It was more so, how can I help you grow and also learn from that as well?
Right. Yeah, I think I tell people, like there's a difference being out there and trying to figure this out on your own. And,
Yes.
because in a master class, I tell you, I show you, okay, this is what you do. You start a children's run club. And
Right.
there's a difference about you going at it alone and then you being in here, where it's like this little cocoon of a place, and there's a lot of love and support.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I love the pace because it was on me. I didn't have to jump in as fast as I did and like attack the curriculum as fast as I did. But I love that it's on at your pace and the way you get the curriculum and you go over the program and you see what it's set up to look like for all the students. You give the videos to see. It's not one of those, oh, here you go, here's a book, go read it and run out and go do your job. And
Yeah.
so we're not going to leave you hanging. You have questions, and then different parts of the plan, which I love, week by week too.
Yeah. Awesome. All right. Well, our connection is a little unstable, so and we're doing really good so far, but you just
Okay.
spoke for a second, so I don't want to push my luck, but I just, any parting words for a mom that is like watching this and is like, oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's a big investment. Any words for
My big thing is I can say finances are always going to be an issue for people at times, whether you have it or you don't. Finances always come up, but you have to think about, what are you investing in? If you're worth investing in yourself and taking a chance on you. Not only that, it's a program that's yours that you get to hold on to. And if something inside of you is telling you to go for it, don't let naysayers, don't let negative influence come in and change your mind. Follow your instinct and know that you're investing in yourself.
Awesome. Oh, well, thank you, my dear. Thank you so
You're
much for
welcome.
taking this time with me.
Of course.